Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Shahzada Anwar, and in this video we are going to learn how to think in English. Because many a time we are being told that just think in English. If you want to learn any language, you have to think in that language. And we wonder why we should think in English. Many questions are in your mind that why we should think in English. And second one, how I should think in English, because we are just a habit of thinking in my mother tongue, whatever it may be, Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, it may be any language. You are thinking in that language. It is actually human behavior. In the language, whichever we are comfortable at, we are just thinking in that language. But the problem is, whenever you are learning a language, you have to think in that language. So, first of all, we are going to talk about why we should think in English, and after that, we will talk about how we can learn to think in English. So the importance of learning thinking in English is that whenever you are thinking anything in your mother tongue, you are actually giving input in your mother tongue. You are actually giving input, and whenever you are speaking anything, you are taking output. But if there is no any input, how you could expect the output? So the first thing we should think in English, because we are giving input to our brain is in English. And second thing, whenever you are thinking in your mother tongue, it may be any language, you are actually training your brain. Unknowingly you are training your brain just to think in that language and just to master in that language. So here is the one problem. And second problem, whenever you are thinking in any other language other than English, you have to translate. Whenever you are speaking, thinking and speaking, you are thinking in another language and you are translating in English. After that you are going to speak. So the problem is that, yes, many times you are just thinking that, what is the problem if I'm thinking in my mother tongue and I'm translating it into English? So the problem is that the moment whenever you are translating, it takes lot of your time. You cannot think in a language and translate it, because it takes lot of time. You cannot speak for a long time after translating. And second problem is that there is no literal translation of any language into English. So please just start thinking in English. Now the point is how to think in English, how to develop the habit of thinking in English, because we are very familiar to think in our mother tongue. So the thing is very simple. Whenever you are going to do any action, just think it in English and just speak it out. No matter you are speaking it correctly or incorrectly, just speak it out. Just think and speak it out. And if you are finding it difficult, like if I haven't done any action, so how could I speak it? Then you can do one thing. First, whenever you are doing any action, after doing that, you can think in English, and after that you can speak it out. And many of you, no matter wherever you are, but many of you are feeling shy and nervous to speak in front of someone, because you all are beginner. Even I am a beginner, but I'm not feeling shy to speak in English. I'm never feeling shy. I can speak everywhere and anywhere, no matter who are in my surrounding. They may be my siblings, my parents, my uncle, my teachers, my friends. No matter who is in my surrounding, I can speak it. So just speak it out. And second thing, whenever you are going to your bed, just repeat your whole day routine. Like I woke up at 6 a.m. and then I got freshened myself. I took my lunch. And if you are going outside in a general store to take some groceries, you can speak it out. Just think it and speak it out. The things are very simple. I know this is not a one day or one night overnight game. You have to think it for a long time. Many a time I used to forget to think in English. Many a time I'm thinking in my Hindi or sometime in my mother tongue. But the moment whenever I recall it, oh, I have to think in English, then I'm just going to repeat that thing in English, because I know it is very important. Trust me, if you are going to do it at least for 10 days, you will see the difference. And at least doing it for at least 40 days, you can be fluent in English. You can be fluent, because I know you know the grammar. You are actually working a lot in your grammar, in your vocabulary, in your phrases, in your tenses, but you are unable to still speak. So I just want you to speak. I just want you to help and transform your life. Because English nowadays, I'm not considering English as a class, as I have talked in my first video, but English is very important. It is not a foreign language only. It is an international language. You need it. If you want to grow in your life, if you want to reach certain level in your life, you have to do it. That's it for today. So please stay connected, keep growing. Thanks for watching.